Accord 4D9801. Genuine OEM. Direct fit. Genuine Honda Parts 75700S84A00 front, H Emblem. Genuine Honda 75700S84A00 H Emblem. This is the official genuine Honda parts replacement part for your vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. 1999 Accord Sedan perfect fit front grille. Perfect fit for 1999 Honda Accord Sedan front bumper. Came in a Honda wrapper, the real thing. Exact match for the one that's missing. Do yourself a favor and stop by the hardware store and get the flat style speed nuts 3/32 size. They were 0.33 cents each at the local hardware. You will need two, since there are two studs coming out of the back of this emblem. You can use a stubby Phillips screwdriver behind the grille, in between the grille and radiator, and remove the plastic base that this emblem will sit on. There are two Phillips screws to remove. Once off, you can place the emblem on its base and access the backside where the studs come through. I used the 3/32 flat style speed nuts and they worked perfectly. You could dab some epoxy around the studs and that would work too. Or you could avoid removing the base and simply glue it to the face, but I am not sure how long that might last. Fastening from the back side, like the factory original, would be the best. Very happy with this product.